Hello, my name is Rohan Ramchandra Shelar, student of Computer Engineering of second year of ZIL Polytechnic. Our project name is SRS on Hotel Management System. This project done under the guidance of SV Gajre ma'am. First of all, we know that what is meant by SRS. The production of the requirement stages of the software development process is software requirements specification. SRS are also called as requirement document. SRS is a specific for the specific software product, program or a set of applications that perform practically functions in a specific environment. It is several goals depending on who is writing it. First, the SRS could be written by the client of a system. Second, the SRS could be written by a developer of the system. Purpose: this hotel management system software requires specific SRS. Main objective is to provide a basic for a foundation of the project. It gives a comparative view of how to system is supposed to work and what is to be executed by end user. Client execution and requirements are analyzed to product specification, functional and non-functional requirements so they can be used by development team with clear understanding to build a system as per end user need. Scope of the project. The HMS project is intended for the reservation for room that can be made through online. It will be able to automate the various operations of the hotel. Our hotel management system will have their end users, customer and hotel management system will be able to check for rooms ability, select rooms and pay for the rooms. Reception will be have to update or modified booking details. Manager will be able to view the financial report and able to update room information such as cost and casualty. The main goal of this introduction automates SMS software is to simplify everyday process of hotel. Day-to-day hotels are increasing and they need to automate their provide customer case of access. There are three users level in our hotel management system: hotel manager, reception, customer. Three users level in our hotel management system: online food applications. Manager have easy access to the hotel management system. Manager is surely res- responsibility for managing product, resources and staff. Manager can be view any report such as financial report, customer information, booking information and quality information. Analyze them and take the discussion according. Manager is required to have experience on managing orders previously and have base knowledge of database and application server. Reception hotel reception show purpose is to provide the quality customer service. She have latest access than manager. She can manage the booking details. She can search for availability of food, add the customer confirmation, the booking, and update their booking details. Manager of application would be probably want to language. She should have a basic IT knowledge. Customer. Customer are validate part of the system. Customers have access to view their online food information and price range. They be able to confirm their booking and cancel it is necessary. Customers have access to customer service desk portal to forward their inquiry. Customers should at least be capable to use the web UI interface. The user interface for system shall be comfortable to any type of web browser, such as Mozilla, Firefox, Google Chrome, and Internet Explorer. Functional requirements. Registration. The customer should be able to place their orders with their details. The system should record following customer details into a member database. Name, email, password, address, DOP. The system shall send a verification message to email. Logging. The system should verify their customer and email and password against the member database when logging in. After placing order, member should be directed to home screen. Reservation. The system should able customer to check their ability of food. The system should display rate of all foods. The system should allow customer to confirm their or cancel their order. The system should record orders details into database. Rece- Reception access. The system should be reception to update or delete order information. System should be provide customer desk portal access to reception for providing response to customer inquiry. Manager access. The system should generate financial and customer report for manager. The system should able manager to full modification access to customer or orders and food information. Payment and management system. The system should allow customer to pay bill via online using credit card or debit card. Capacity requirements. System need to handle at least 20 transactions during peak hour. Ability requirements. Report should be generated automatically every day for manager and any time upon request. Software system attributes. The system should satisfy the normal regular online food operation prevent to fulfill their end user objective. Even the resource be implemented to achieve the particular task effectively without any harassment. System should be flexible even they provide new items to add new features and to handle them conveniently. Data flow diagram. This is diagram to related hotel management system. Entry relationship diagram. Conclusion. The main goal of the introduced automation software is to simplify everyday process of hotel management system. It will be able to take care of service to customer in a quick manner. This automation will be able to replace their drawbacks or large customer information physically files which were difficult to handle, secure transaction, quick reliability of information, else of use, quick recovery of errors, fault tolerance are some of the benefits that development team will be working on the achieves and end user satisfaction. Reference Software Engineering 9th edition. Fundamental of Database System 6th edition. ER diagrams tutorial provided some links. Requirement engineering provided some links here. Thank you.